Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I went out and bought myself a meat chopper. I always wondered if they actually made a difference compared to using something like this. Now I just got a cheap one from the Walmart. I think it was around $5-6. But we're gonna go ahead, try it, and see if it's actually worth buying one right after this. Okay, I just put some ground turkey in the frying pan. We got that. I gotta say, it definitely makes a difference. As you can see, I really didn't think it was going to make that much of a difference. It was going to actually work that great. I can see you're still going to need to use one of these to turn it. But I'm really impressed by how well that actually worked. Yeah, I must say, they actually work. Like I said, I think I paid $5-6 for this. I don't think I'd get a real expensive one. But yeah, if you don't have one in your kitchen, I definitely recommend getting one. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.